What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, January 30th. I can't believe this month's already over. Over under today, 77. That's going to be a big one. That was our high on Thursday. ES opened there on the overnight. Overnight highs 86, lows 40-40. So 40-40 has become a big number, as was 60. So I would expect this 60 level would be resistance if this pops back up, but we're definitely lower on the overnight. Here's your 40 level held so far down to pretty much 30, so that 27 would be the next target. I don't know if it'll hold again. If we come back down, it might get let loose, but I would look at that 27-30 area for support. We lose that, and then you get that 4,005-6 level. I would expect they're going to defend that. If not, base would be 87, 39.87. I don't know. I don't see that dropping that far today since this was pretty much defended, and that's a pretty good level right there, that 40-40. So that would put us maybe as a consolidation day. We'll see these next 2 days since Fed's on Wednesday if this is a setup for a bigger move for Wednesday. I don't know. Lots going on the macro end of it. So we get above 77. Obviously, your 89, 86, your overnight high is going to be the target. And then you've got 41.10 basically. And then I've got 41, 20, 50, and 80. 80 is the cleanup, and that will be from a couple days ago or a couple weeks ago. So you've got a high here. So 80 cleans up all the singles from this rally up, and then that spike up and back down. That was a shit show. So that 4180, 4200, I think a lot of people are looking at the 4150 for a upside target. If we get up there, I think we'll clean up to 80 and kind of hit that level right there. But that's just what I think. I don't know. Again, down day today, so your support probably your support's really that 4,006 area where that trend line is. I didn't remove it just because of that. Here's your 200 and your 50. So this is what everybody's watching, the Golden Cross. Only 5 points away, so 60 and 65. So we'll keep an eye on that. Another higher day, and this might cross. And then, every bull is going to be on board. So that's what makes me nervous with these type of things. Like if this crosses and then everyone gets bowled up and then we get a rug pull. I'm agnostic. I don't know. I at some point I think we go back down, but I don't know how long this squeeze is going to last. Let's take a look at your hourly. Pivot's 83. Close enough, 4109. Look at that. Your R1's right at that top level. 4135, I like it, and 61 is a good level as well. S3 at 4005, 4006. To me, that's crucial. That's going to be a big level if we head down there. But we might have seen our low, and now we're going to come back up. Again, not sure. Here's your weekly. That trend line's basically at the 41.5 level. Your 200 moving day on the weekly is 36.90. So, again, that kind of holds true into our bear market. So if we were to do a downside, that would be my target, or just through it and then rebound back, or we die and come down here. But I don't see that right now either. Cash gap up. We had 4,100 to 4,110. We had a 94 high on Friday, so that came close. As you can see, there's multiple highs in this area. So if we get through that, then we might gun for this one. 220, 228. That would put ES about 4,200 if we mop that up. But again, I don't know. And then I've got a little guy up here, up at the 4,300 zone. So. We'll see, maybe we come back down in reverse. I don't know. Euro up again. This thing won't die. Continuing up, even though Germany just came out, basically is in recession. Italian CPI came out screaming hot. So we'll see. Eventually, this is going to rug pull and this will come down. But as I said before, until this drops, I'm not seeing this drop. Although there's been a divergence because this is lower today and this is higher today. So obviously weird structure. So I would keep an eye on that. I don't like when things aren't acting like they should. So maybe this is a transition. I don't know. Bonds are tilts a bit lower today, but nothing substantial. No news today. Nothing scheduled. Friday is, I mean, home price might be an interesting deal. And then Wednesday is when shit starts to get real. You got a Fed funds rate, and then Powell speaks. Thursday is somewhat, but then non-farm on Friday. So kind of a crazy week, but after these first 2 days, so maybe this is going to be the setup for the move on Wednesday. I don't know. What else? That's it. I'll be in the room all day. Rel vol is 134, so keep that in mind. It's actually fairly high. Anyway, I'll be in the room.